ChatGPT picked stocks with a 500% return. Google's Bard AI is now public and free for you to use, so here is the difference between ChatGPT and Bard. Meta unveils AI for advertising. This may be the best AI assistant. Stability AI just released a text-to-animation tool. This wearable AI device might replace your smartphone. You can turn any video into a Minecraft creation. ChatGPT picked stocks performed better than anybody expected with a 500% return. So in this study, they had investigated the potential of ChatGPT, a large language model, in predicting stock market returns using sentiment analysis of news headlines. The all news black line corresponds to an equal weight portfolio in all companies with the news the day before. The green line color responds to an equal weighted portfolio that buys companies with good news according to ChatGPT 3.5. The red line corresponds to an equal weighted portfolio that short sells companies with bad news according to ChatGPT 3.5. And the blue line corresponds to an equal weighted zero cost portfolio that buys companies with good news and short sells companies with bad news according to ChatGPT 3.5. I would love to see one of these made for Wall Street bets. Google's Bard AI is now public and free for you to use, so here is the difference between ChatGPT and Bard. The first example is give me 10 blog ideas, and as you can see, ChatGPT is a little bit more long in the message compared to Bard here and might be a little bit more creative. Here you can see it in a table format doing pretty much the same job, but Bard being up to date and can search the web. This example here on writing code, the result is very similar code and Bard actually being a little shorter. Then when doing bar charts, only ChatGPT was able to do the work. CSV format, Bard is unable to do that. When asking on advanced instruction, it actually performed very similarly. When doing act as an expert, they provide very similar answers. Ask for the latest information, Bard obviously wins this. So you can clearly see there are pros and cons for each of them, and I would recommend you try them out yourself. Meta unveils AI for advertising. So Meta just introduced AI Sandbox, which is a playground for advertisers to try new generative AI-powered ad tools. As you can see, it can create text variations of the text you already have. It can do background generation to create new and cool backgrounds, and it can even do image outpainting. The big implication of this might be that all ads start being AI generated and that the AI can actually target the correct people with AI generated images and create a feedback loop that essentially might be able to create the perfect ad. And you can probably imagine the implications. This may be the best AI assistant. It uses ChatGPT 4, it has web search, and it works as a Chrome extension. Look, first it has Zeno Chat, which is a customizable AI chat system with up-to-date web information. Your content can be paraphrased or summarized plagiarism-free in a matter of seconds. This allows content to be quickly added to your own text with up to 2,000 words rewritten in seconds. Number 3, you can use it with brainstorming and inspiration, like the Zeno Assistant, that if you want to brainstorm just in your document, you can just do that. Or what about social media content when you need to do a TikTok caption and you can just ask it straight in the browser to write a good caption for you. You can just go to textcortex.com and add it to your browser. Stability AI just released a text-to-animation tool. It's called Stable Animation and it's completely open source for you to use right now. Inputs currently available are images, text, and videos combined with text. As you can see, you can upscale and interpolate, color control, cadence, 3D warp and render, outpainting, and prompt interpolation. It's available through Dream Studio or their own API. You now get about 25 free credits, which gives you about 30 results, or 50 if you go through their API. If you want to buy $10 for 1,000 credits, you can effectively run around 5,000 images. A big win for the open source community. This wearable AI device might replace your smartphone.
Sorry, this is my wife. I'm gonna have to get this. Hello?
Hey,
Hey, Bethany. How's it going?
good. Are you with Ted?
Yeah, I'm on the red circle right now, actually.
Oh, great. Good luck. And don't forget to mention me.
Where can I find a gift for my wife before I have to leave tomorrow?
Vancouver's Granville Island is a lively shopping district.
That's an incredibly simple response for a very complex query. Let me show you something. Invisible devices should feel so natural to use that you almost forget about their existence.
Les appareils invisibles devraient sembler si naturels à utiliser. Vous oubliez presque leur existence.
You'll note that's me and my voice speaking fluent French, using an AI speech model that's part of my own AI. Imagine this. You've been in meetings all day and you just want a summary of what you've missed. Catch me up.
Patrick is coming to tomorrow's design meeting. Bethany wants to move next week's dinner, and Oliver is asking about soccer this weekend.
These are emails, calendar invites, and messages all surfaced up to the top.
Tiny black touch device that you have in your pocket. Would you use something like this? Let me know in the comments. You can turn any video into a Minecraft creation. So this is a bunch of AI methods put together. First, he used a GoPro to film the entire location. Then he used a 3D Nerf to turn it into a Nerf video that makes you able to zoom and move around in 3D space. And then he put that into Kyber AI, an AI video generation tool, to make it look super blocky and like Minecraft. You can now use Google's AI music tool and it's gonna replace musicians. Listen to this first one. How it works is you put text prompts and then it turns into music just like this. You want some lo-fi elevator music? What about some lo-fi beats to relax? You can even ask it to make 2027 music. SEO is about to change forever. As you can see, the user asked a very complex question and the answer was AI generated. And the regular web pages are probably just a couple scrolls down. So Google is getting beefed up with AI and it makes us wonder, how are they going to monetize that? We know that Google places ads on every single website. They even place ads on the top of search results and is using blogs as a creator to get traffic. Dead. Anthropic's Claude now has a context window of over 100,000 tokens. What this means for you is that you can upload now hundreds of pages of documents like PDFs. You can even have conversations with it for days as long as you stay within the 100,000 token limit, which is around 75,000 words. You can feed it entire research papers, you can feed it entire movies, book series and things like that and get it to summarize, analyze and pull data from this big data set. GPT-4 only has 32,000 tokens, so this is a real slam from Claude here. Want to keep watching AI news? Well, highly recommend you check out this video and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.